Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix msstdfmt.dll not found or missing in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you can do is you need to bring up your command prompt. How you can do that? So at the bottom search bar, type for CMD and a command prompt system would appear. Go with open to continue. So here, you just have to go with this window and type sfc space forward slash scan now. Click on enter. Okay. And it says here you must be an administrator running as console in order to use this facility. Close this window and type again CMD. Wait for the bus match. Go and run as administrator. Your user account role will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes. And this is the time that you will type again sfc space forward slash scan now. Click on enter and this will do system scan and this process will take some time. Just have to wait until it will be done. Okay. So it might take some time, but definitely it will be worth it since it will help you to fix your problem. Once you're done, close this window and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, proceed on opening your Google Chrome browser. Double tap it here at the desktop if in case you have placed it there, or you can simply use your button search bar and search for it. Okay. So wait until everything are ready or set here at the Google Chrome browser. And here you need to type for this msstdfmt.dll. Click on enter. The moment you have the click on it, wait until you are being redirected to the list of results of this file. Okay. So you would be able to see a list of results, which is the file. You just have to go with the first, which is msstdfmt.dll free download. Click on it. And the moment you have the click on it, you'd be redirected to the list of results. Okay. So here, you just have to go with the version that is compatible to your computer. So if you have a 32-bit computer, go with that. And if you have a 64-bit computer, then go with the 64. So to make sure that any error would not be occurring here in your Windows or computer. Okay? So once you're done, just have to select the download option, click on it, and wait until it will start on downloading the file. So it will say here 503 service temporarily unavailable. Click this backward arrow and select another link that you can download such. Click on it and wait again until it will be downloaded here in our Windows. Okay, so if you're having a hard time on downloading such, click this backward arrow. Don't worry for that, okay? And this time, you need to select another website where you can download the such. Okay. So let's continue in finding such. Okay. So go with space soft tonic. Click enter and wait again until you are being redirected to the result. Okay. So here, you just have to scroll down and look for another option. Since soft tonic is not available, proceed with dllme.com. Click on it. But in case the first link is available to you, you can go with such. And since it's not temporarily unavailable in my computer, that's why I'm gonna choose another one. Okay. So click this download option there. Click on it and wait again until you are being redirected to the versions of this zip file, okay, where you can choose the versions of it. Okay, so here it has a lot of the versions. You can select any of such. Okay, So I'm gonna go with the first. Click on the select to download and wait until it will be downloaded in our Windows. Wait until you would be redirected to the downloading of this file. Okay. So just have to scroll down and wait until this would be available for us. Okay, so it has this captcha where you need to verify if you are a human. You just have to click this box to check and wait until you would be redirected to the verification of the captcha. Click on it. Okay, so just have to here it asks you to please click, hold, and drag the element on your right to the shape that is mostly similar to this. So the similar one is this. Choose it. Okay. Press and hold. Okay, so let's drag it here and click on verify. Click on it. Wait again until all of this would be available for us. Okay, so it allows us to click all images containing the same animal shown in the sample below. So we're gonna choose such. Click on next. Select again that the picture that is similar to the picture showed here or shown here, sorry. And once it is being verified, you can now start on downloading. Okay? So just a moment, we just have to wait since it's still verifying if we are a human. Okay? This might take a few seconds. Just have to wait. Okay, so let's click on it. Verification successful, and you just have to wait until it will now start on downloading our DLL file. Okay, so you just have to wait again, just have to be patient. It Okay, so let's just have to wait. Okay, so click this download icon and it says here done. Just have to wait until a folder icon would be showing here aligning to the zip file. Okay, like this. Okay, now it's here. Click this folder icon, click on it. The moment you have the click on it, you would be redirected to the location where it is being placed or where it is being saved to. So just have to do a right click once you have selected it. Okay. and go with here WinRAR. Just have to go with it and go with extract to. And here, just have to wait until it will be extracted and a new folder would appear. Double tap to open. Copy the DLL file. Moved on to this PC. Select your C drive, double tapped. Proceed with your Windows. And here you need to look for syswow32 file folder. Here, you need to do a right click and go with paste. Okay, so click on continue to confirm and just have to wait until the process would be done. Once it is being pasted here, close this window and moved on to our next method. Our next method would be at the bottom search bar. This time you need to type for PowerShell. The moment you have typed it, proceed with the best matched, run as administrator. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes. And here you need to type for this command. regsvr32.dll. Click on enter once you have pasted it, and there you have that. Okay, so wait until the process would be done. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.